Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to mark a WhatsApp group as spam. All right, let's begin. To start, open WhatsApp and navigate to the group chat you want to report. Once inside the chat, tap the group name at the top of the screen to open the group's info page. Scroll all the way down until you see the report option. Tap on it, and WhatsApp will give you two choices. You can either report and exit or just report. If you select Report and Exit, you'll leave the group immediately, and a report will be sent to WhatsApp. If you choose Report Only, you will stay in the group, but WhatsApp will still receive the report for review. Once you make your choice, confirm your selection by tapping Report again on the prompt. WhatsApp will then examine the group activity. If it finds that the group violates their terms of service, they may take action, which could include removing the group or restricting its functionality. Reporting spam helps keep WhatsApp safe and free from abusive or harmful content. Remember, reporting is anonymous. Other group members will not be notified that you made the report. So that's basically how you can mark a WhatsApp group as spam. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.